Pregis perfects the way paper void fill materials are delivered to high-volume operations with the Quantum XTW paper packing system. The Quantum XTW supplies a 30-inch fan-fold paper quickly, safely, and more efficiently than any other single-ply solution on the market. A versatile system equipped to keep up with high-volume operations, yet compact enough to support decentralized pack stations. Quantum fan-fold paper bundles are designed to minimize packaging waste by using a reinforced, recycled paper strap that maximizes yield and worker ergonomics. To load, simply place a paper bundle in the tray or into the multi-stack magazine. Discard the reinforced recycled paper binding. Thread the paper through the patented floating head of the machine, and you're ready to pack. The 6-stack magazine allows the operator to load and go with minimal downtime as paper continuously flows through to the packer. The patented design prevents paper jams from occurring, which means more uptime. And there's no cutting blade, so there are no safety hazards with the Quantum system. The telescoping head brings paper to the operator to minimize movement, and the effortless paper tear assist does not require the operator to exert any effort to maximize worker comfort, even in high-output environments. The system can accommodate various lengths of paper dispensing with the index-to-length mode. This feature and the foot pedal accessory allows operators to seamlessly adapt to changing void fill requirements to increase productivity and control the amount of paper going into the box. Quantum's fanfold paper is transformed into a springy void fill material that provides a distinct yield advantage over other single-ply paper options. Paper is perfect for small void spaces to support dimensional weight reductions, items with sharp edges, greasy items, and customers seeking an environmentally preferred packing medium. Quantum is part of a family of paper packaging systems from Easypack by Pregis.